Hello, my beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you for the watch this my video. My people, as soon as I know for this our channel, say we they bring gists. Apropos anything with no concern gist. Now with the land for this our channel. That's why you see this channel with the column. Apropos Saga TV. Anyway, if you don't see that channel, news and gist what they do for dear. My people, I beg, make una continue to encourage this channel by subscribing. Just subscribe. It don't take anything from you. Subscribe, put on your notification bell, like and share. I will also appreciate all of you when they watch our video, when they share our video, when also they like this our video. We really do appreciate you all. Okay, guys, I will leave una make una watch this video. This is our latest gist. May I leave una make una watch am. Okay, my people, I will see you now for my next video. Bye bye.
Stay, you not get stay. You don't stay Europe for 17 years. You not get stay. You day 42, me day 34. So
the man day 42, you day 42.
Me day 34.
Which tribe be man be? Which tribe be?
This September I'm passing now from Edo State.
You na waiting?
So me na Delta.
Okay, you na Delta woman and the man na Edo man.
Yes.
Okay.
So when I come here, I don't meet any man again. I be the first person when I deal with it now. When I dey talk with you, so where we can't get a kiss, as we can't get a kiss because you know this. So after like a year and 7 months, now they grant me my stay. So I can't born for him because they don't they give him deportation letters and everything. So I can't born for her. So but I noticed
now two of una got the agree make you born for her.
Yes. Now even if family call me, beg me because as we say they won't carry the person come out at stage as the initial stage.
If family from Nigeria call you, they beg you make you born for her for Europe.
Yes, even people when be say many of the family they Europe, many of in Montana, Patana, many of them.
Either they beg you make you born for 42 years old man.
Yes. So now person when be say if we don't do anything, he go just carry phone, he go call the family, say as the TBO, say as she be, say as she be. So they come ask and say, what will be the problem when you they get with me? He said the problem when me can get be say, even if say he talk for 2 hours, I not go answer him, and that is the truth. Because I'm not be this kind of violent person. So if he they talk like this, I'll come they look at me, go talk, no names when you no go call me, you be idiot, you be fool, say Ashawo even better pass you. Say the only thing when me not like you now because say you not do all this Ashawo work whether they do. Say many things, and those things it is strange to me. Or the kind of upbringing where I for come. So all those things when they talk, it will be like say they strange. All these things when they talk. So they will talk, he will talk finish, I will still leave out because of the children. So recently when they say it happened, recently when say 2018, when I can't go Africa. As I go Africa.
Which year do you and this man meet? Which year una meet?
2016.
Now una meet for Germany for year.
Yes.
Okay.
2016 September precisely. So me myself I enter here February 2016. So as we come reach 2018 I can't go a house. As I want to go house, he just tell me that and I say my family don't say make I leave you. I don't born that time. When my family say make I leave you, say I just they come out forget everything about her. That's okay, no problem. As I still come, he still come they beg, say I beg, say no what he just they do. Because my best one be say he they talk too much, he go talk on here, he go talk on here. You know they talk one word, he go be like they behave like a narcissist. So he go talk on here, he go talk on here, he go talk. There are many things, he go just they complicate issues. So when the issue they come up here, so recently, what happened recently when they say now the thing don't break me down. As I reach August, they get Facebook when I open with my son name. I come in son name with my son name. I can't open the Facebook. So I know they enter. Now during pandemic, I open the Facebook. So, but as I reach August, now I see say voice note, notification. People not be my friend for that Facebook. Now so I come.
You the man's son name. And your own son name, now you take open that Facebook.
No, the man's son name with my son, my picking name.
Now you say open up. Okay.
The man two name and one of my picking. Then I say open the Facebook.
We are back.
So
Oh yes.
Yeah, the person come they send the voice note, send voice note, come send pictures, two pictures. As I open them, I they walk. It be like say my BP rise immediately when they listen to the voice note.
But now woman.
I say who be this? Now woman, he can't send me two picking, send at the man born for Italy. Those children go be that kind 10, 11 years.
And the man tell you say you don't born.
To God who made me this nice, since made me with a miss, is that this August went past, he not mention anything like that to me. None of the family mention anything, nothing. Me when me say, I never born for Africa, I never born for here, nothing. He not tell me nothing. Before me with a meet.
But wait, the time when you meet her, you don't already get your documents.
No, but I don't go interview, so I dey wait for the answer.
Okay.
Before me meet her. So when me meet her, I sit and down. I tell her, say, see, I don't need any man when they say don't first born. Because my daddy warned us, say, he come from polygamous home. So make any of the daughter not try her, because that thing a death trap. So that thing can be waiting, they guide us from right from time when they say they come from everything. I can't ask them this question for 5 good months. Before me with a meet face to face, me with a talk for 5 months. Before we come finally meet for that September. He said nothing like that. I call him people, and people tell me say nothing like that. Now I come say okay. As I reach August, now I come to hear the breaking news. The woman come send me the picture, everything.
How the woman to see your Facebook? How that woman to see your Facebook?
Wait, he didn't say na the guy, because for the voice note they tell her say they change Facebook. Oh. If I want contact you for here, you go block me. You go open another Facebook. If I want contact you, go block me. You go open another Facebook.
I no say na you will be new woman. Wait, see now you use your name.
Say na me they use the Facebook, because as he see the name, see the surname, it is say na him get the face. Say he don't already open another Facebook again.
You just enter inside the inbox, begin pour her mind.
Yeah, come they send her. So when that thing come to happen, now come call her. Immediately come to her and say, see what they say. And before that time, he always they post one girl picture for WhatsApp. He go paste the girl picture. I come and say, who be this girl? He say, now the girl you don't love now. Now the girl be the love of your life. But later, he come they tell people say, he just use that girl for her to just get my attention. Now, so
maybe for the jealous.
Yes. So that will not be issue. So the girl they come send me. Now come ask and say, who be this person? He say this girl. Now say just take carry belle. The girl come run. He don't know where the girl dey. He talk many words. As it is now, as it be say, wait till you say you no go fee accept for where man dey. As it don't happen. So make I move on with my life. Any man when be say I want day with, make I day with. Anybody I want marry, make I marry. You can start your life afresh. I be like person when be say they pour water that day. I don't know what they do.
You not get children before you meet her. Na single person. You get children before you meet her.
I never born for Africa. I never born for you. I be the first man when I meet for Europe. Till now, when you two they talk. Till now, no man, no except him. No man, no color of my house or color of my curtain. God bear me witness this night. So as he come talk that one finish, now I come so okay. I can't need to call in cousins then. As I just call in cousin then for Africa, they come put for conference call. Come they say, I beg go say the first day that he tell them say he don't already tell me. Say I just accept and like that. Now say me. They say he not tell me anything. Meanwhile, mama, during the pandemic, this guy did my house. Not knowing saying at that time the woman carried the children, because the woman carried the children in Africa. The woman carried the children.
Okay, this woman when you enter in bus come follow you talk, so not be Europe she did.
She did Italy. He carried the children go back house.
Okay, he returned the children from Italy back to Nigeria.
Yes.
Because she don't dey alone now.
Yes. Then during that time now, during the pandemic, this man did my house. Not knowing if he go run come out, he go they speak the dialect, they tell him cousin, they send money. And this person they pity her because for 2 years now he not get work. If they pay me money, every month I must put money for envelope. God bear me witness this night. I must put money for envelope, go send give her. Every month, they pass me. I go do and say.
Why you can't they do that one? Because you not get work?
I because he not get work, because when he dey work, he dey always dey buy us this African food because of where we dey. So I no want make it feel say as we say he not come dey work, maybe the money where they give him, he not dey reach. So I just dey do am as my mind be. I will just send them. Sometimes I will send them cards. Sometimes I not be woman when they say give me. No, I've never one day open my mouth and say give me 20 euro. No, I know they do am. Now the kind of life when I just dey live. So when this one come to happen, I come dey call all of them from family. How this thing go happen? Una not let me know. Now one of the auntie when he say na in trainer, just call me for conference call 2 of us. Say as it is now, those children na ain't get them. Beggar, make it forgive you. Job beggar. Now he say, sister don't beg am, make it sorry. But as we say, he still they hold the grudges for after. Job like say I know the thing today, the following day, they give me bitter pills to chew. They not even allow me to cry my cry in peace. And so they come they talk. After 1 week, they still do another conference. The woman come send me voice note. Say right now.
Which woman they send you this voice note so?
Auntie.
The guy auntie for Nigeria.
Mother. Yes, the guy mother. No, the woman they another country.
Okay.
So it be like saying I foster mother. So he come send me voice note. Say right now. What we decide now for our family, we say, you with my son have to stay under one roof. If you both of you cannot stay under one roof, that means there is no need going ahead to see your people or to pay the bride price. I can say, just 1 week, una not even allow me to think, una not even allow me to bring myself together. I not can't reply. The message I can't reply the woman for voice note. Say, okay, no problem, ma. I will think about it. Now, so I just say, look, for how many months I not talk, nothing. Which on Friday here, the guy just come because he don't.
Where the guy they stay? Where not they stay with you? Where they stay?
I know one, that because of that abusive words when they always use. That make me say, if he go change, say he need to go therapist. Because if he start here, he just be like so the house go they shake and children in their house. I know what maybe say.
Which kind words did they use on you?
Okay, if he just start like this, he go say, what they use you do? Ashawo even better pass you. Like say you do Ashawo self. Ashawo for better pass you. Ashawo they give person money. Whether I not ask my brother, say now women they give people money. What they use me? Do man get out, man get out. He just they manage me. Say he they regret why he know me. Say I be the hindrance. I be bad luck for your life. Man just get out. If he talk that one after like in the evening of it, he will still call me. Sorry now, I don't know what happened. So he can't call my old man for house. He can't tell my old man, say, see. As he tell my old man can't call me, say, my daughter, this person when you introduce him, he get what that they give them for Europe when we say that they eat, when we say they know they talk straight.
Okay, your father come they ask you, say, get what men they eat for Europe when they know they talk straight.
They eat, yes, when they know they talk straight. Because the way when they talk, you know they talk straight, he go talk, he go bring this one, he go bring this one. Everybody when we say they talk to. Anybody when they talk to, you know, they go ask and say, what did this person do you? Now so you know they respect me. Now so you know they do this. Now I say,
many men be like that. You they wonder whether they smoke something.
He can't say the major problem be say, how he go they talk to me for 2 hours. I go just they look at, I no go answer her.
And if you still answer, na wala, na fight go enter.
And they apply wisdom because na person when they say they very violent. So if he start like this, I go just quiet. Or if he start like this, I go just push my kids, enter inside room, I go lock inside room, go just they shout, I go scatter this place now. Police people go just come just now. Now me will come the beggar, you calm down, I get neighbor. So waiting my 3 years old son, he go school, he can't go tell his teacher for school, say my papa always shouting. So they can't call me for school, they ask me, say, why the person, the father, they shout? Now say, you know, say, we won't be Nigeria, our voice, they always, they loud. Not be saying anything. They can't say, okay. So as they come talk, on Friday here, he can't come. Because if he come for 3 times,
now question what Igbo they ask, why would I wait? If Igbo ask, say, why would they always they shout? Now, what the Africans they say, no, if we they talk, now so our voice be, if we they talk, it could be like say we they quarrel.
Yes, if we they talk. As he can't reach on Friday, or he can't come on Friday, I not let her enter up. He just call me, ring there as he enter. Now he tell me, say, I want me we talk. You want to know now, you want to know right now, whether I'm still interested and everything. Now I say, I don't want again, I beg. The thing is too much. I know they concentrate. If I dey work, I dey make mistake. Make I just concentrate. I don't get any friend. I don't get anybody for here. If anything happen to me, I fall into depression. These children, where they want to stay. And before that on Friday, he come, he tell me, say, now, say, right now, what you want to do now? Say, you Igbo woman now. Two of them go connive together. May they come meet me. May they collect the children for my hand. Now, what he tell me.
How many children you don't born for Anna?
Now, 2. So that the children will come, they follow and with Igbo woman, they stay.
Then you will call, they will come collect children, they will go throw away you for one corner.
They come collect and give her. Me, I can't tell her when I tell her that day. So God be to my, I tell her, say, any day when you go think about that, you with your Igbo, if you not to sleep, you not go wake up. Now, wait till I tell her. That be the word when I tell her. Later, I can't still come, he say a joke, he just there now. He just they play. So
somebody say, are you saying Nigerian men are mad me? See question we person they ask.
I don't understand. On Friday here, he come, he tell me say he want me we talk. I say okay, no problem. I'll give him audience. The first question when he asked me, he say, you don't the fuck man. I say, you say waiting. He say you don't the fuck man. If you don't the fuck man, I know you let me know. That word was so irritating because I dey with you for 5 good years. No man don't enter my house. It can't be the interval of 6 months. Now they ask me that kind of question. I was so irritated. Now, if you don't get what you want, tell me, may you just come out. I begin shout. I go scatter your house now, make police come. You say you don't want me again. You go want me, oh, me with you go marry. Oh. I said, but you there with Oyibo now. You never go meet Oyibo. May you let me be. You just vest come up now, so you just take go. I can't buy it.
Like and love the video, my people. Now don't they listen to Tori forget? Yes.
Now you don't call me, tell me it's okay. Ma meet her for. Before that time, he come play voice note when auntie send give her. The voice note be say, move on with your life. As we say, the woman not accept to say, you know want marry you. Move on with your life. Not be you start to the born children for our side. As you born children, so we know say you not tell her, but as you don't find out what she want to do, move on with your life. Not go see the children again. Not give them any money, nothing. If the children grow up, they go do for their papa. Now he has to send give us. It's not like say thank you. You don't play the voice note finish. Now so you just waka come out. If you buy African food for the children, you just pack everything come out. And so you just take.
He pack all the African food we buy for your children. He pack and follow body come out.
Everything come out. He pack them come out.
Oh, don't know
station. Now he call me again. Now it's okay. May we talk now. My country station. I can't still follow that Congo meter.
You go train station. You not fear say go kill you throw away for train station. Leave your children where they say us.
I say waiting we want talk.
You now whoa.
My family not like you. My family you they feel pompous. You never enter house now. Now I say wait to be one problem thing when I do you. He say nothing. As he say my family not like you. You know go walk. My family a man of 42 years. As he talk that one finish, now so he still leave me for the enter train go. As the train don't go reach like a 1 hour, now he come here again say, ma come down for train, make her come here we talk.
The man get very big security problem.
Now say we not get anything when we want talk. Just go. He come here again. Make her come, make we talk. Now say no, don't worry, just go. As he reach house, now he come in. You be fool. You be idiot. You when I want
continue.
People when be say that they come from Libya where they say that they fuck them up and down. You when be say that don't fuck people scatter you. You when I want head. You when I want that's how they carry phone put for ear. He come they talk. He come they talk. Nothing when this man, you be idiot. You when be 34 years, wait till you there outside. You good, that make you not marry for Nigeria. If you don't marry, 34 years, you still there same, you still there outside. That's it. Not be when you miss me, you tell me say you won't marry me, Abi. Wait till come make me, you wait till make you know. You say, man, get out, wait till you want use me do. As a family say they don't want to, me and myself, I don't want to, me, you don't get out. That's okay, that's how I just take court call. He reached the middle of the night again. Now he call me. Hello?
I can hear you.
He says my voice be now. I'm not shout now. I beg. Maybe with you just plan. as he go take marry. Now say God forbid bad thing. Now say sorry, I not feel marry you. You can date your children life. I not feel prevent me you not see them. You feel see them. You anything when you want to make you do, you give them everything. You start again. You be fool. You be idiot. Who you be? Who you? Nothing when this man not talk. So what me they ask now? I don't too bear and the thing they affect me. The other day I check my BP. My BP is almost 180. The thing they really affect me, and it don't make me be say if I they do something I would just forget myself. Once I forget myself, that's so tears go just they come out from my eye. So not only me they here with these children, I don't want me be say I can't say I can't accept them. What of these children life? Because the guy is a very toxic person, and he go they very toxic for where these children they grow up now. Because all this word when they talk, when they shout to me, now they're for their present. And I know what maybe say the children come they experience that kind of thing. You know they hit me, oh. He never hit me once. And for these 5 years when me with Ante, I never see any trace say he cheat on me. No. But the problem be say, if like say the guy need a therapist or psychology, and I don't know. But you know they believe. So waiting me want talk now beg. Wanna advise me. I don't know what I want to do. Nobody they here with me. Only me they here with these children. So now waiting me, I just want to make a talk because I don't know what I want to do. I just they confused. As you knew to if you don't reach now, you go just call again. You go begin shout. They curse me. And I they picking call because they want to talk to the children. I know maybe say can't get access to the children. Can't they talk to them?
You know what they happen to that man? That man and person with they call frustration. He's frustrated. When they say person frustrate, now frustration and they cause those things. You understand? And my question be say, I want to ask you now as a woman, what do you believe say lack for the life of that man where you don't complete? Na money, na paper, na what is it? What it don't complete for that man life?
See, number one, because what made them stop him for work now because of they ask us to make him bring his passport.
Nigeria passport.
Yes, the Peking don't get. Now, from this from my land crisis here, I will apply for her. Even now, me tell my social help me write recommendation letter when a lawyer need them. Now my social writer my fast and go. Then if he come and say bring all the documents where they need, I go carry and go give them for the city. Then since over 2 years now they tell us make he bring a passport. If he not bring passport, they go stop him for work.
He don't bring the passport.
He not bring passport. Now because I know they work, now he make me no one bring the passport. Now I count €500. They give us okay, take. Go use and go do your passport. May you submit and may we know the outcome. At least if you don't submit the passport, we will not say we they wait now, make the stamp and then we go they wait. Till now, if you the money now, I not feel because I not feel give person money come now adult. You get us will they ask question, it could be like insult to her. I don't give you the money, may you do this particular thing when we plan for. Till now, you not do anything. I give them that money July last year. Till now. Nothing.
Maybe he chop the money as you give him. You know waiting.
But I don't tell Ima.
Now they say documents not they hand, now not get paper.
Not they, now they delay itself.
Okay. Let's say document not they. Work not they. I take the same money where they live.
Say that they give money, can they pay house rent for her. So throughout last year, now make me make a mandatory upon myself every month. I go put €200, sometimes €300. I put them for envelope. I go send, go give her. Now start they do them. So during that period, me not know say if they don't carry the children, go put for a cousin house for Africa. So to all of them they communicate and they not tell me anything. So me myself I don't know, but I continue to they do them. The day when me stop, that was last year December. He get issue when he just raised. He just tell me say what are they? I know they any useful for in life. I not dey any useful. Now I say, but I dey try as my mind be. He say, well, that not be my mates do a shower when we say that they pack money they give man. Now I say, but that is not my life. I never do that kind of thing once, and I not gonna use because of you go. I'm not feeling.
At the treat topic just now, one man come right for inside say, at I will get integrity. Any man for this Europe where they insult people where do a shower, and you don't chop a shower money. Now the cost where they carry for inside 9 be this. Now then the first they say a shower, and if they see that a shower money, the way that they Russian with pride, they see this one now where they say your mates they do a shower that they give their husband money. My sister, that man is a man where get problem. So fear be let you accept marriage for that kind of person. May go marry you.
They say the condition now be say if me with the man not stay the same house, they no go continue go pay the bride price. Okay,
the family of the man say make una stay at least 1 week if una feel live together without fight before they agree make their brother go pay your bride price.
They say make me with and continue to they stay. Say from that place now they cannot take it up from there. They will not decide if they want go pay the bride. Imagine.
Tell them they don't decide. Madam, now 2 children you born, you not carry 2 diseases. You know what? That man don't even need to pay your bride price. You see that was what way they tell you, man. If he pay your bride price, it go increase times 20. All these things when you dey hear so. If you let him pay your bride price, marriage you, your own is gone. That man go kill you. You see this your psychology when you say your BP now day 180, your BP go run 280. Now true, I just tell you so. Take it or leave it. Your BP go run 280, whether you like it or not. This man, he never pay your bride price. The family say, make all of una stay inside, make 2 of una stay inside together. Then if una not fight, if you even feel pretend, or in pretend, una not fight, una can't go pay bride price. My sister, see, you know what? Ambulance now go they carry you. Person way go tell you word with mouth. Your BP go they high. Any man where they use mouth, feel beat you, you will they cry. You will suffer. That one and bondage. That one not be marriage. Anybody, whether man or woman, if you open mouth, he go tell you something, tears go come out for your eye. Not be marriage you did.
I said today, I dey walk like this. I don't know the time when I take forget myself. Tears just they come out from my eye. I just regain my consciousness. And now walk I even dey safe. The thing they eat me up.
I not see what they eat person for you because you the fear single life. Your problem is say you the fear single mother.
No, that one not be even that one not be even the issue because I don't already make up my mind say this one make I just stay. But now the torment when people say they torment me in this. My
sister, again when you go reach, not the for anybody where they torment you psychologically, stop talking to that guy so that you can get your sanity back. Number 1, not talk to gay. It not me whether a man or woman, anybody where they abuse you verbally. Verbal abuse is the biggest injury a person can ever receive in this life. Anybody where they tell you word, where they hit your heart, they enter you. Because word where they use my tell person, they enter. Ola, total, they enter. If you use word, tell you say you be idiot, you be fool, you not they see your mate, you not get sense, you not they see your mate, you not they see all those words then, if they kill woman and if they make you older than your age, if they make you come they sick, you they forget, just like you they forget so. That is what we call abuse. Verbal abuse. Now this thing not be waiting. You are facing verbal abuse. Verbal abuse face to face. And the only therapy for verbal abuse is separation, abstinence. You separate and you don't talk and listen to the person that is abusing you verbally again. If 2 of them are in the same house, number 1 is to separate first. Go your own. Let him go his own. That's number 1. Then the second one is to stop and cut every communication between you and this person. Then your healing. Be talking to other people. Be talking to a better person where be say, then they get better ways of encouragement from mouth. So they encourage you. So they tell you the best in you. So they tell you where you good and where you bad. Either the woman or abuse woman. Anybody where they abuse you, where they make you believe. You know how verbal abuse say they reduce person in your self-worth. You will come, they look down on yourself. You will they believe, say, your mates better pass you. You will they believe, say, get where you for they do wrong. Things where you know they do well.
Absolutely.
They keep person.
Absolutely.
It go they make you believe, say, things where you know they do well, many. You will they blame yourself. And you know they do anything wrong. We are not wrong in anything. The man is suffering. He's a damaged person. I don't know what it damage him. But he get what it damage that man. And that man is passing through a lot of problem. And if you not run for him, that problem you go put on for yourself, because he also needs to go and heal himself. He's an abusive man. That's what we call an abusive man. Women, they also will be they abusive like that. If they tell their husband one word, the man go just want to kill her. That's an abusive woman. Anybody will get abusive spirit. If you not live on, my sister, you are never going to be the same in your life again. The number one thing you're supposed to do with this man, not let them they come close to you. And not let them they follow you to all those conversations where you they give her phone, you still love her. The problem you have with this man now is that you are still loving that man. That's where the problem is. And the only thing where they make people they complain, say, person they abuse me, I don't know as I want to come out. It's the love you still have for the man. When you still have a love for a man or a woman that is abusing you, your abuse continues. That be your problem. Your abuse continues. Your problem is love, not be another thing. You are loving, you love the man. So if you still call, you'll say, make I listen to him. Somebody say, Momsy, please not disturb me again about wife. This Europe relationship just get as it be. Make I listen to her. You will carry phone, you will listen to her, then he go talk well sometime. That is a sick person. See, people where they sick, he get the time when they take the relax, they go talk well. Very desperate person. Then he get the time, mood switch. He get the time where go reach, mood you go just switch again, green. Before you know it, because if they try to convince you, may they use you. You know if he convince you, may get you for inside palm. Now that might be a problem. If that man go feel hold you for a palm, may they use you like ping pong, ping pong, ping pong, ping pong, the way he like, they don't get problem. But because of say, be like say you they reject small, your spirit they reject what they do you. That one will get big problem. Una go they fight. Una go they complain about you. Please make I allow that people talk into the matter. But for me, now waiting me just talk. Now be this. Anybody that is abusing you, whether man or woman, the first thing is to close all communication with them. Bam. First thing. Then you will start to listen to other people, not this person. Other people will better what they come out for their mind, for their mouth.
He go come my house, so he go live in city, he go come my house. He go live in city, he go they ring bell, he go come my house.
Hey, which kind of relationship? If he come your city, if they ring bell, tell him may not come again. Or I abuse the women, sister. If they abuse you, you get children. Tell them may not come again. Or them, there are many for Europe. Now most of them, they use police come they use a motor to the drag. They drag come out later. Now you go this that kind of men and they chat for city. They go, he call police for me. My wife call police for me. My wife call police for me. What do you do before they call police for you? Then they call police for person. What did you do? If you ask them, say what did you do? You go say I don't do anything. I just say don't call police for me. What do I come out for your mouth? He passed Hiroshima bomb. He passed bomb where they take the bomb person for war front. God forbid bad thing. May I allow other people talk into this matter? Listen for that side.
Okay, ma. Thank you. Thank you.
You are welcome. Hello.
Mr. Rita,
Eh?
I want to contribute for this lady issue.
Eh.
What I want to contribute, don't talk 50%. You know what, this lady still like this man. You hear me?
Yes.
What do I make people talk for this matter? You can't want to wait because of the children, they call it children. Enough use your children till they do excuse, till they take abuse. Man, you hear me?
Yes.
Because these days, children they get full. If man call you, say that children want to pass the phone to the children immediately. When we say don't pick that phone, you hear me?
Yes.
Even don't pick it, that's this much. They feel they offer for hands. I said the man just call and say, nah, because of the children, you can pick that phone. Let me say, the Lord that man. Pass the phone to the pikin.
I beg. Chap. I wasted time.
Not just talk to them. No, you're listening. Because this lady still like this man. And he still love this man.
They carry phone go for year, make they tell you nonsense for year. Go for it.
Yes. She don't want to let go, but still like the man. They say whether the thing to walk, he go still walk, he go still walk. He not go walk.
He not walk.
He not go walk. Like. If you not say you feel let go, because she don't want to let go. She don't want to let go.
He should die young.
If you feel let go. If he call you, don't your pick dialogue, let your pick dialogue. Just carry the phone. Give me your children. After you don't dumb, when they call the phone. Because if you don't let go, I say go continue. That man not go
You can't let go be a very on the dark moment, my people. Oh, what's your way for it? Oh, I'm a bug boy. Me mother, me mega me when they get any. Oh, I'm a bug boy. They're gonna even beg with it. God forbid. It's not easy
to let go. Just try and let go, because I'm not going to change for pay for you. And it go abuse it to you. It's short. It go abuse it to you. That will not be your own. You not be your own. Just block her for your call. Back for your children. When they call them for them.
Frank and you, sir.
Block her.
Man, wait, just they tell you words like that. I shall go. Later, you go say you be the idiot. Oh, Baba, Saba, eh. See, for this Facebook when I did, now one guy for talk to me that they just call me useless. When I not say I come the fat person, I post the picture for outside. Even if me for how many years. Wait I not see for how many years. One man just jump come out, come call me useless woman. What that for me? Salute boy me. I nearly keep person. I know the feel taken. Lie. You get people where their body strong for all those kind of abusive ways to be take. Not be everybody. Hello.
Hello, good evening, my sister.
Good evening, Oga.
The God of the woman that just finished calling.
Eh.
I just want to ask her if she's listening to us. I don't know.
Yeah.
No, in everything about this life, let her go on with her life. Person when they cry, when they laugh, I ain't good bad person when they cry.
Exactly.
Our people, they say, waiting old man sit down, they look. You know, if you carry ladder.
He's not going to see her. Now, madman be that too. Yes, so.
Yeah. The advice where father give her, now he they work so. Only that the mistake was that he never know the man before he go into the marriage.
If father ask her one question, say, so men won't they see for that side, they take cocaine.
So make him know what things they do. If he love bladder, go do marry with that man. The next thing, I pray may she live to enjoy her fruit of her labor before anything happen. Because still when person see, you know the blind person.
Yes,
she run for her life.
May run.
That's not the truth.
Hey, my sister wrong.
Hey, may save her life.
Marriage one.
May not let that love blind her. Because the waiting the man they benefit for the woman now they push the man, they make that man.
Come they do drama.
His constitution total violence, domestic violence. Before you know now, you don't put the woman for wahala.
And they say she wants to talk another thing. Now she go meet her for train station. What if as you reach there that night, you tell her what you wanna work in when why they put you left for work with bill?
That man get intention. If you want to do something, just that the God won't stand with that man, that woman.
He call you for that kind of distance for night. You follow and go. Yeah, wow. Anybody not worry about two women. No, we fight. Come out for you. Go come call me for one that make me come darkness conscient. Okay, Baba. Oh, Sister Mary, thank you for the star. Oh, thank you for the star, my lady. Mary David Imafidon. Thank you so much for the star. Oh, you hear what this caller talk? He say me you move on. Now man they talk so mad because he know maybe he get sisters. You understand what in domestic violence be. Now me can say move on with your life. That's the way they laugh. Now better pass with them cry. Oh, pretty Osato, thank you so much, my lady. Thank you.
So anything when I tell them, I know they take. So as I did now, me never get wife, but I get the experience.
Now you get the experience. Now you be the father of your sister, Sabi. Brother Prince, you say na love. I beg, forget that one. That one not be love. That one not be love. Nobody.
Not be love.
Thank you. You know say. Thank you, Oga. You know say some men day when woman go look and finish, you go say see as the man handsome. He handsome well bele fun me away. Oga la bed the wahala. If I lose this kind man, I wish the man would just say okay now. I wish he would just say okay now. Not they abuse me again. You will lose your life. You will lose your life. Many people are saying a lot of baba stories today because of this one. Hello.
Hello?
Yes.
Good evening, ma.
Good evening, Oga. How you doing? Oh, pretty. Thank you for the star. I did hear you.
I go watch the woman say that verbal word with that man they use. If he make person run mad.
Thank you.
Some of the story, you don't make ma run mad.
Thank you, Abat, for the star. Abatin.
Somebody will have no run mad. Now my friend, you don't make her run mad. And secondly, I want what did that last woman.
Oh, verbal word don't make your friend run mad, Abi?
Yes.
Okay.
If that woman like herself, may stay 155 yard. May her join her.
Favor, Akma, thank you for the star so much. Thank you.
And
Rono.
that woman say,
Wow,
if the man come, may they give him children for no, I not support that one. Man with the talk verbal word to his wife. If the man they talk to his children, he could manipulate those children head. He could make that anything concerning that man, make that woman make stay clear. That man he did depressed, the man they frustrated, and the man be like with the worry from home.
Somebody talk right now just say that they shake a calabash for village. Maybe the calabash with the man that they shake a calabash for village. And the sisters they talk for the relationship. Auntie self they contribute for inside the marriage. Marriage where auntie they talk put, uncle they talk put, auntie they talk put. May una run for that kind of marriage, my people. Any marriage where auntie uncle, whether na wife relation that they talk inside, husband relation they talk inside, marriage in new salubwa. Now you person wey go survive.
I said that man go do till the deporter, or he go God forbidden, or he go.
Oh, Codley, thank you for the star, Codley admin. God bless you.
This man, so may that sister may run from this man. Maybe not because the man they walk and wait for bed, now make her know.
If they walk and wait for bed, bed in waru way. Now me carry that point come and just now. Bed in it inside. Some women go there, they go there. They think that go be waiting. They think say. If this one come up for my life, Inia ne gbe oko na we have one consider this kind Inia again for my life. Inia gbe rangbere agbe titi iri good.
May not let what the man do. May make her lose in sanity. That verbal word now be the person if person won't slap myself, yeah, but I like a pass me person to tell me those harsh words. It is store. It be like memory. It is store for heart.
It is stop, not be like. It is not the quick comment.
It be like super glue. You know they come out 20 years to come.
You know they come out.
They press your bed, madam. If you like yourself and your children.
Now men, they talk. So which other advice you everyone say? We don't answer. Men don't judge them.
You need to give them and all those useless men for Europe, would they like to abuse their wife? You know better for now.
Thank you.
Because you get what you talk before that your former life the way you do.
Sister Meg.
My wife divorce her. My wife divorce her. I want to take you back, sorry. You get one word we talk for that your former life the way cut before you start this one now. You talk about relationship this thing about men she they get. You see all these men for Europe, most of them they don't know say these women for Europe they be God sent from heaven. The situation of Europe and Nigeria, it is very different.
God bless you.
The two very different. So any man will they appreciate your wife for Europe because to me, now women be our second God for Europe.
Thank you.
Women be our second mother.
No person just come here, just not come right say.
I'm not saying not be me perfect pass, but at least my wife dey here. She dey hear me. I know if they proud for where my wife.
Why woman not go